Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Ecotech 3 engine, electronic shift on the fly, tow haul mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.